Hello guys, today we're gonna explain something special. We're gonna explain how we could print out like a drawing with the map background, uh, how to show the real background of the drawing like in two viewports. In this drawing we have whether it's like this or like this. We have two viewports, one viewport here and second viewport here. How we can show different background map at the same drawing so that it's gonna be clear in two form, whether like this or this, like two form. One open street, Esri open street background map. Other one is Esri imaginary background. Let's get started. The first thing we have the drawing here. I had a drawing here. The first thing you have to like to be sign in. Then I mean, you can guys do it in like 2024 and before with the just the first thing here we have to set up the coordination system. We go to the like tool space bar setting, right click, edit drawing setting. Here's I have to know the like coordination system that this drawing has been drawing on. I already know it. I'm from Oman, Middle East, so we have like coordination system for Oman. It's gonna be this one. Oman, 14 North. As soon as just activate it, the new tabs gonna appear here. Geolocation, you can like activate. Like in 2024 and before that, we just have those three options. The Esri options is new for the 2025. So either way, if you have 2024 or 2025, you can choose whatever you want. For example, for imagery background map, we have two options here, whether it's for Esri or being aerial. What's the most like popular and famous is Esri. It's new. We're gonna choose Esri here. See, the Esri is like much better than other options. But if you have 2024 or before, you can guys just choose being aerial. It's the same thing, but I mean there's a little bit of differences. What I'm gonna choose here, I'm gonna choose Esri imagery background map background. I'm gonna open like templates here, layout, new layout. I'm gonna choose from the template. Plan protection. No, I wanna choose MacBook A4. I'm gonna choose A4. Open. We have A4 like layout here. Okay. Now there's two viewports here, this one and this one. If you want to active the viewport, you have to like double click, like left click, double times. It's gonna be activated. If you want to get whatever has been drawing in the model space, just you have to double click on the scroll in the middle, double click. It's gonna be here. Okay. If you have like you don't know where it is exactly, just like hit double click on the scroller. It's gonna be appear here. We're gonna like activate the other viewports, the same thing, like double click. It's gonna be like shown like this. Double click on the scroller in the middle. It's gonna be appear like this. Now we have to we want to active the background map here. Double click. It's gonna appear like this. If you have this view right here, you have to go to the geolocation, then just active Esri imagery or being aerial if you have like 2024 or before. I'm gonna use Esri imagery. It's gonna be like this. I'm gonna active this viewport, then I'm gonna active like the Esri street. So we have to print out this one so that it's gonna match what we have here. We have like this viewports here. But if you want to like print it out, we're gonna try. There's something pop up right here. If you want to print part of the online background, so what we have here, we have online background map. It's not like original thing. It's something online. With the rest of the drawing, you must capture an area of the map as a map image object. Okay. We're gonna try preview. Oh, you can never print out like background map, whether it's imagery or it's OpenStreetMap, unless you do something. You have to capture the area. Now we have two forms of the background map. We have imagery and open street map. We have two options here. I wanted to show all this background map in a different form, in two form at the same drawing. This is something just critical, and it's gonna help you a lot, guys. What we need to do right here, the first thing we have to make two layers for Esri imagery, and the second for Esri streets. Okay, just follow up with me. So we're gonna go to the layer properties. We're gonna find like Esri imagery, the first one. Okay, the second one, Esri street. Okay, enter. So we have two layers. Now we have to set it a current. Is the imagery, we're gonna set it for the current one. So we're gonna go to the model space. First thing is the imagery. We have to capture something here and save it in this layers. Let's get started. Go to the duplication, capture area. We're gonna do it like we're gonna do it in multiple like parts so that it's gonna be clear. You can guys just do it at one times like this, but the like resolution degree is gonna be low, so that's why I just make it apart. Yeah, make it apart like this. Now just choose it all and choose very fine. So we have captured imagery easily and save it on this layers. Now we have to choose another one, Esri street, and now we have to choose change it like to the Esri street. We're gonna phrase this layer a little bit. Now we have to capture this one. The same thing, you have to choose Esri street, then capture area. The same thing, three parts. Parts 1, part 2, and part 3. Okay. Now we're gonna choose it all, then choose verify. Now we have two layers actually. Now we have two layers. We have like Esri street and Esri. We have to active this one too. So now we're gonna go to the, we're gonna like map off. We're gonna go to the viewports right here. I wanna to active some layers just for this viewports. We have something feature in AutoCAD so that you can just active like a certain layers at the certain viewports without other viewports. So when I active this viewport, I'm going to the like layer properties. Then we have this viewport freeze. This is enable us to just active whatever layers we have, we want to active, and hide and freeze whatever viewports we don't want to appear just in this one viewport. So this is for Esri imagery. So we have to just active Esri imagery right here. I'm gonna deactivate for Esri street. Here we go. We just activate Esri imagery. We're gonna go to the second viewport. We have another viewport. I don't want like this imagery here. I just want the street map. I'm gonna go to here. I'm gonna active the street map and deactive the imagery one. Then I'm gonna get out of the like model space and go into the layout space. Okay. Now we want. Let's figure out duplication. It's an Esri image. Here we go. So we're going to try it right now. It's gonna be look like this. Now just we active this layer. Here we active just another layers. Here we go. So now you can print it out, and the transparency, we want to print it like as a PDF. Okay, preview, print out. Here, save it here. Here we go. We got like a drawing with a different background map and two viewports at the same drawing. We're gonna do the opposites. We're gonna make this OpenStreetMap background. This is imagery background. Let's get started. At the same drawing, just double click, then going to the layers. Now just active the street one and deactive the other one. We're going to the other viewports, double click, active like Easily Street Map imagery one, and deactive the other one. Here we go. We just make the opposite thing. We're going to the printout, preview. Here we go. This is like something very nice, and I want to print it out as a PDF. So it's gonna be PDF, preview, and print it out. To save. Here we go. We got it. I'm gonna attach all the support files on the description right beneath. Just go and try and practice it. It's gonna be great. Okay. Have a good day and thank you.